Good evening all from the Thebe Securities dealing room this Wednesday, 1st of July. Last night's close in the States was really a whimper. Consumer numbers came out which concerned a lot of people, so they closed well down. We opened this morning really weak, but hell, then out of nowhere we really took off like a rocket, and a whopper of a day, up 649 points, and literally that was all in the last few hours of the afternoon. 20469 is where we've closed, and 20220 was the kind of level that we're looking to break, so we absolutely crashed through it. And again, it's all in resources, up 4% on the res, up 2 on the financial, up 2 on the indie. So it's international money, and they literally are deciding with their checkbook that the recession is over, it's time to stock up on resources. So hey, we'll see where that goes. And again, we see that in our leaderboard, a little old metrics, again on the correct side of the page, up 8%. Telkom 8 up 8, second day in a row. Sasol up 6, PPC up 5, and Investec up 5. So a nice spread there. On the downside, the small education company Advitech down 2, Sonyati down 1, Dawn fractionally down 0. AECI down 0. And Bidvest down 0 point something. So definitely a storming day. And just some news on the Baltic Dry Index. Those that watch Grindrod, that used to be a non-tradable index. Now there will be some derivative action related to that. We'll have to see how it actually unfolds and affects the validity of that index as an indicator. But just be aware that there are changes in the makeup of the Baltic Dry Index at the moment. And then Vodacom said they'll come out and they will pay a dividend early next year, which is good. And right now overseas, we've got the FTSE up 89 points at 4336. Dow Jones up 114 points, retracing all those losses of yesterday. And the S&P up 10 at 929. Bearing in mind the levels on the S&P that we've been discussing is a downside of 820 and an upside of 945. So 929 making an assault on 945, it's looking pretty good. Gold at 938, platinum at 1192, and the oil price ticking up again at 69.76. And the currency, wow, look at this, 7 Rand 74 for the Rand to the dollar, 12.72 to the pound, and 10.89 to the euro. Very strong. But bear in mind, it's all dollar influence. The Rand doesn't do anything without the dollar's permission. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you.